CrowdStrike Holdings Inc., NASDAQ, CRWD, is one of the top cybersecurity companies in the world. Founded in 2011, it has become a leading provider of cloud-native endpoint and workload protection. With cyber threats becoming more frequent and complex, companies are spending more on cybersecurity, and CrowdStrike is well positioned to benefit from this trend. This report provides a comprehensive analysis of CrowdStrike, covering its business model, growth opportunities, cash position, technical trends, and ends with a buy recommendation. The report is structured to offer both a fundamental and technical breakdown suitable for long-term investors and short-term traders. 1. What does CrowdStrike do? CrowdStrike specializes in endpoint security, threat intelligence, and cyber attack response services. Its core product is the Falcon platform, a cloud-native solution that uses artificial intelligence, AI, to detect and respond to threats in real time. Key offerings: Falcon Prevent, antivirus and malware protection; Falcon Insight, endpoint detection and response, EDR; Falcon Overwatch, managed threat hunting; Falcon X, threat intelligence and automated investigation; Falcon Cloud Security, securing workloads across public and private cloud environments. CrowdStrike's business model is based on a subscription-as-a-service (SaaS) revenue stream, which ensures recurring and scalable income. Customers typically start with one or two modules and add more over time, leading to high net revenue retention rates. As of early 2025, CrowdStrike has more than 23,000 customers, including a growing base of government agencies and Fortune 500 companies. 2. Growth opportunities. Expanding cybersecurity market. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing sectors globally. The global cybersecurity market is projected to exceed $400 billion by 2030, growing at a CAGR of around 13%. Product expansion. CrowdStrike is rapidly expanding its Falcon platform capabilities, now including modules for identity protection, data protection, cloud workload security, and CM capabilities. These additions make CrowdStrike more of a full-stack security platform. Global expansion. Currently, over 75% of its revenue comes from the US, leaving significant room for international growth. Asia Pacific and EMEA are key targets for expansion. AI and automation. CrowdStrike's use of AI allows it to provide highly scalable solutions. As more companies move to digital-first infrastructures, the need for AI-driven cybersecurity solutions will rise. Strategic acquisitions. Recent acquisitions like Humio for log management and Secure Circle for data protection help CrowdStrike expand horizontally and strengthen its position. Federal and public sector. Winning FedRAMP and other certifications has opened doors to more contracts with US federal agencies, a traditionally hard to penetrate but highly lucrative market. 3. Financial overview and cash flow analysis. Revenue growth. FY 2021, $874.4 million. FY 2022, $1.45 billion. FY 2023, $2.24 billion. FY 2024, $3.12 billion. Projected FY 2021, $4.3 billion. This consistent revenue growth reflects strong demand and increasing product adoption. Gross margin, stable at around 75%, one of the highest among cybersecurity firms. Operating margin, operating income, turned positive in FY 2023 and is improving steadily. GAAP profitability achieved in Q3 2024. Cash flow. Operating cash flow, OCF, $1.1 billion in FY 2024. Free cash flow, FCF, over $900 million. CrowdStrike has positive and growing free cash flow, which is rare for high-growth tech firms. This allows the company to reinvest without excessive dilution or debt. Cash on hand and liquidity. Cash and equivalents, some $3.2 billion. No significant debt maturities until 2027. Capital efficiency. Ratios. Net revenue retention rate, over 120%. Customer acquisition cost, CAC. Payback, under 12 months. These figures show CrowdStrike is not only growing fast, but doing so efficiently. 4. Technical analysis, CRWD. As of May 2025, CrowdStrike, CRWD, trades around $295 It has seen strong momentum since late 2023 due to earnings beats, product expansion, and AI exposure. Key support levels: 265, 50-day moving average, $240, strong demand zone and breakout base from January 2024. Key resistance levels: 315, previous all-time high, and psychological resistance $330. Breakout target if momentum continues. Indicators: RSI 58, neutral to slightly bullish. ACD, positive, showing continuation of uptrend. Volume, healthy accumulation seen on up days. Technical summary: CrowdStrike is in a confirmed uptrend. A break above $3 with volume would confirm a new leg higher. Short-term traders can watch $265 for dip buying opportunities. 5. Valuation forward. Price to earnings, PE. A65X, price to sales, PS. A20X, yes, it's expensive on a traditional basis. But let's look deeper. CrowdStrike is growing revenues, 35% annually. Gross margins are high. Profitability is rising. Customer retention and lifetime value are outstanding relative to peers, like SentinelOne, Palo Alto Networks, Zscaler. CrowdStrike trades at a premium, but it also leads in profitability, product depth, and scale. DCF and intrinsic value estimate. A discounted cash flow model, assuming 25% growth for 5 years and tapering off to 5% terminal growth, results in a fair value of $350 per share. 6. Strengths and risks. Strengths: leading cloud-native cybersecurity platform, strong recurring revenue with high margins, efficient customer growth and high net retention, large cash reserve and free cash flow. First mover advantage in AI-enhanced endpoint protection. Risks: high valuation could lead to sharp pullbacks. Intense competition from Microsoft, Palo Alto, and new startups. Customer concentration in the US may limit diversification, regulatory scrutiny in sensitive markets. 7. Analyst ratings and sentiment consensus. Strong buy average price target, 12-month, 340 high. Target, 380, low target, 280. Analysts remain bullish based on accelerating customer acquisition, cloud expansion, and rising margins. 8. Buy recommendation. CrowdStrike is one of the few cybersecurity firms with both growth and profitability. It has dominant market positioning, excellent financials, and a compelling long-term story. Long-term investors. Strong buy under 300. Add-on dips to 265 or 270. Hold for 2 to 5 years as the cybersecurity industry matures and expands. Short-term traders. Watch for a breakout above 3 from FinTech. Stop loss suggested near $250 for technical trades. Conclusion: CrowdStrike is not just riding the cybersecurity wave, it's helping shape it. With its innovative AI-driven platform, high customer retention, and expanding product suite, CRWD stands out as a leader. While valuation is high, the combination of high growth, profitability, and strong fundamentals make it worth the premium. For both growth-oriented and tech investors, CrowdStrike is a compelling addition to any portfolio. Final recommendation: strong buy. Whether you're investing for the next quarter or the next decade, CrowdStrike looks like a winner. Thanks for listening to this stock analysis. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for more deep dive reports on leading tech stocks.